Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most radical transformations happening right now, how AI is reshaping the legal industry. From legal research to courtroom decisions, AI tools are no longer assistants, they're becoming legal professionals themselves. Stay with us, because what you're about to discover might just change your entire view of law, justice, and the future of human decision-making. This is really the first tool that's actually using state-of-the-art technology to interpret text, understand cases, and then use that information to solve legal problems for us. The legal industry is facing disruption like never before. AI isn't just assisting lawyers, it's replacing entire tasks that once required years of legal training. Co-Counsel, built by Anthropic and Thomson Reuters, is the first AI system that law firms actually trust, handling legal research, document drafting, and case analysis in seconds. Law firms are already using it, and the results are game-changing. Legal research that once took weeks now happens in minutes. Studies show that AI-driven legal tools are reducing research time by 30 to 50%, reshaping how legal professionals work. But here's where it gets even bigger. We're not just talking about lawyers losing work. AI is moving into tax law, contract analysis, and even courtroom decision-making. Could AI judges be next? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know just how deep this revolution goes and whether the legal profession will ever be the same again. The secret behind Claude's legal superpowers: I could double-check it very easily and became confident very quickly that it was providing me with accurate, good information. Most AI chatbots struggle with accuracy, especially in fields like law where precision is everything. A single mistake in a legal contract can change everything. That's why general-purpose AI tools like ChatGPT or Bard weren't enough for this industry. Co-Counsel, powered by Claude AI, works differently. It's built using a system called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. That means instead of making up answers, it pulls data from a verified legal database, 150 years of legal documents, case law, and regulations from Thomson Reuters. Rob Greenlee, head of industries at Anthropic, explained that Claude was specifically optimized for legal tasks. Unlike generic AI, it doesn't just predict words, it uses structured legal workflows, advanced prompting techniques, and real-time case law updates to ensure accuracy. How lawyers are being outperformed. Right now, lawyers using Co-Counsel aren't just saving time, they're outperforming their competitors. Research tasks that once took hours now take minutes. Some firms report 10x faster case preparation. So if AI can now research legal cases faster than a human, where does that leave traditional lawyers? Legal work has always been expensive because it involves analyzing thousands of pages of legal precedents, contracts, and court rulings. That's where lawyers rack up billable hours. But Co-Counsel is changing all of that. Instead of weeks of work, AI scans massive databases and finds relevant precedents instantly. In contract drafting and document creation, AI refines and edits documents, ensuring accuracy while reducing tedious paperwork. It even plays a crucial role in analyzing opposing arguments, identifying weak points, and helping lawyers prepare more effective responses. And it's not just about speed, accuracy is improving too. Since the AI operates on verified legal texts and updates with new case law, it minimizes human errors, something even top lawyers struggle with. According to Thomson Reuters, firms using AI for legal research save 30 to 50% of their time, translating to fewer billable hours and more affordable legal services for clients. The multi-AI strategy changing everything. Unlike one-size-fits-all models, Co-Counsel uses multiple AI models tailored to different complexities. Claude 3 Haiku handles quick legal lookups and basic document reviews, perfect for routine tasks. Claude 3.5 Sonnet dives into deep legal analysis, providing insights and citations that would normally take hours. This multi-model approach doesn't just automate, it optimizes. Instead of a lawyer spending 3 hours reviewing documents, Haiku extracts key points in seconds. And for complex cases, Sonnet delivers comprehensive analysis using verified legal sources. Some firms are now letting AI handle entire legal processes from start to finish. That raises big questions. If AI is doing the most time-consuming parts, what happens to junior lawyers? Will clients still pay thousands for legal fees when AI delivers the same service in seconds? This isn't some future scenario, it's happening right now. The security that makes this AI unstoppable. The biggest concern with AI and law isn't speed, it's trust. If a legal AI makes a mistake, the consequences are massive lawsuits, financial losses, even wrongful convictions. That's why security and accuracy are top priorities in Co-Counsel. Unlike consumer models that use the open internet, Co-Counsel runs on a closed, secure system. It only pulls from verified, legally binding data. At its core is Amazon Bedrock, a secure cloud infrastructure keeping data encrypted, private, and compliant with strict industry standards. So law firms don't have to worry about leaks or client confidentiality. And with built-in human oversight, lawyers still review and approve final outputs. Who wins and who loses in the AI legal revolution? Like any tech revolution, there are winners and losers. Co-Counsel and tools like it won't eliminate lawyers, but they are transforming the profession. The winners are firms that embrace AI, cutting down research time, improving efficiency, and reducing costs. Small businesses and individuals benefit too, as legal services become faster and more affordable. Tech-forward lawyers will dominate the profession, handling more clients and higher-value cases with fewer resources. The losers? Lawyers who stick to outdated methods. Many junior associates have already been replaced by AI assistants, and overpriced legal services are disappearing fast. The truth is simple: if AI handles 50% of a lawyer's workload, fewer lawyers are needed. Will AI replace judges too? Co-Counsel is just the beginning. Thomson Reuters is working on new AI systems that go beyond legal research, pushing into tax law, dispute resolution, and even courtroom recommendations. AI models for tax law are already reducing the need for accountants and advisors. AI-driven document scanners identify risks and suggest edits in real time. Computer vision analyzes legal documents, pulling out clauses and flagging issues faster than any human. Some courts are now experimenting with AI dispute resolution, where algorithms review evidence and suggest outcomes. Even sentencing recommendations are now being aided by AI decisions based on legal precedent, not human bias. So what's next? AI-powered courtrooms? AI judges? It might sound far-fetched, but so did all of this 5 years ago. So what do you think? Are we heading toward a future where AI doesn't just assist, but actually runs the legal system? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this video insightful, check out the next video on your screen to explore more mind-blowing developments in the AI world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, so you never miss a drop in the AI revolution.